What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. It is day 40 million of the quarantine. 40 million! I'm just joking. Originally, we were counting, but I think at this point, no one's really counting anymore. We're holding by Pesach now. It's Chol Hamoed. Today we have something very, very excited. We're actually taking the kids off the block. Why are we going off the block today?
Because I need to get a fish.
What do you need to get a fish for?
My Passover present.
What do you mean your Passover present? What, your Afikman?
Yes.
How you holding up, Nach?
Well, I'm holding up well, except my gun died battery. See? Wait, I want to show you. You're not supposed to see me. Why are you turning it toward me?
Adele, when was the last time you left the block? That's right, she is a little bit testy this morning, but that is just fine. We got matzah pizza! Oh yeah, we got matzah pizza on Pesach. It's one of the things that I look forward to. Everyone likes good matzah pizza. There's no one who doesn't like the matzah pizza.
Yeah, they're fake. Of course they have to be fake.
Everyone's wondering how the kids are doing, so we're gonna have a little bit of an interview session over here with Bina. What message would you tell other kids out there that are at home and they might be watching this? Speak loudly so the camera can hear. What message might you tell them? What would you tell another girl?
I don't know.
What do you mean? Like, give them like survival tips. Like, what would you tell them about something, anything, how to get along with siblings, or some attitude, or what would you tell them?
Keep occupying yourself.
Okay.
Or else you're bored.
Keep occupying yourself. You heard it first from a very wise woman. A very wise woman. I put her up to the challenge. I put her up to it. Kitchen Effie give a wave.
Hi.
Looking for Yuntiv. Check out this pot of soup. Oh my goodness, look at this pot of soup. Biggest pot of soup I've ever seen in my life. Getting ready for Yuntiv.
Alright, usually my parents are way stricter on the gaming system and like we're not able to play on our tablets, only like Sundays and Fridays. So, but now that Corona came, everything changed. We got a big TV, it's behind us, you can't see it. We ordered it like a month ago, we got a Nintendo.
Oh yeah, Nintendo.
A classic 30 games. Should I read all of them?
You don't have to read all of them. With the COVID-19, it's survival of the fittest. The kids' mental health is extremely, extremely important. So we're experimenting. We brought in a monitor and an original Nintendo gaming system, and hopefully it will be good for the kids.
And parents.
And parents.
Kids and parent mental health.
This is what my parents grew up with.
Okay, everybody, like we just mentioned, we got the original Nintendo. If you want to see what's in here, nostalgia, check that out. The original controller. We thought a lot about this before bringing this into the home because we've never really had, we had just a little bit of tablets and we never really had much of this stuff in the house. But given the circumstances, me and my wife feel that we need to be flexible over here. Obviously, we're setting times and parameters. It's not going to be all day long use.
Oh my god.
I was filming you.
This is literally like
Torture.
blast from the past.
We got the mushroom.
But tell you the truth, I actually have been enjoying home lately. But it is nice to see civilization. I know.
Now, if you guys are wondering what the tie-dye was, see the tie-dye? You guys see that?
I'm not wearing that.
You see the tie-dye?
I really.
It was a Chol Hamoed project. We all made tie-dye sweatshirts. It's a lot of fun. Even I have one. are your fish's names?
Nemo and Fletcherson.
What are they?
Nemo and Fletcherson.
Okay, everyone, I hope you're all staying safe. I hope you're all having a good Pesach. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button, push that like forward to a friend, and I will see you in the next one, everybody. All my love.